Hello, my dear children. Wish you all a good morning. So, children, welcome to your EVS lecture. So, today we are going to discuss the topic that is food from animals. Animals have been useful to us since ancient times, right? And we have domesticated them for our use, like sheep. Sheep gives us wool, and even dogs help us to hunt. But do animal also do animals also give us food? क्योंकि ये सारा काम तो हमारे पेट और वो सब कर देते हैं, पर क्या एनिमल से हमें फूड मिलता है? Yes, children, we get food from animals. And animals provide us with many foods, such as white meat from chicken, and then red meat from goats and sheep, right? एंड इट इज़ नॉट ओनली दैट सिर्फ हमें नॉन वेज ही मिलता है उनसे, नो, इवन वी गेट मिल्क. कैन यू टेल मी हमें कौन मिल्क देता है? काउ, राइट? काउज, बफेलोज एंड इवन गोट ऑल्सो. So milk and milk products such as curd, cheese, paneer, then butter and cream from cows and buffaloes. So we get milk from cows and buffaloes, and then from milk we get many milk products. So we get milk products like curd, cheese, paneer, then butter, cream, okay? Then even we get seafood such as fish, then shrimps, then crabs and shellfish. Okay, it is shellfish. Then we get tasty yummy honey from honeybees. Then eggs we get from hens, then ducks and some other birds like ostriches. Okay. So now we have to, it is check your progress. Tea is obtained from this thing we had learned yesterday. Then second is honey is obtained from. Then okay, then potato is the dash of the plant. Then dash and dash are oil seeds. ये सब हमने कल पढ़ा है. So you have to answer these questions in the textbook by yourself. Okay. Now today we will see about types of nutrients present in the food. So first it is carbohydrates. It is a type of nutrient. Okay. So it is a type of nutrition which is present in the food. So foods such as rice, wheat, bread, sugar, then potatoes and bananas are rich in carbohydrates. They give us energy to work and play. So the food such as rice, then wheat, then bread, sugar, potatoes and bananas are very rich in carbohydrates, and they give us lots of energy to work and play. Okay. Next is proteins. So we get proteins from the food such as pulses, then nuts, eggs, then meat, then fish, milk, curd and cheese. So these food are very rich in proteins. Okay. So proteins help in the growth and development of the body. हमारे जो बॉडी का डेवलपमेंट एंड ग्रोथ होता है, सो फॉर दैट थिंग प्रोटीन इज़ मस्ट बिकॉज दे बिल्ड आवर मसल्स एंड रिपेयर द इंजर्ड टिश्यूज़ ऑफ आवर बॉडी. जब हमारे बॉडी में अंदर कोई डैमेज होता है, कुछ हमारे बॉडी को कुछ हो जाता है, सो वी नीड लॉट्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स, राइट? अगर हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो इवन डॉक्टर टेल्स अस दैट यू टेक मोर प्रोटीन इनटेक बढ़ाओ. ओके, because they build our muscles and it repairs the injured tissues of our body. Okay. Then it is fats. Fats provide our body with energy. दे ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट आवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है, इट इज़ प्रोटेक्टेड बाय फैट्स. ओके, so butter, ghee and oil are some foods that provide us with fats. So the foods like butter, ghee, oil are the foods that provide us with what? With fat. Okay, then comes vitamins and minerals. So vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. They help us to fight diseases and keep us very healthy. So children, हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो कुछ होता है, देन दे टेल अस कि आप विटामिन्स लो, फिर हमें टैबलेट भी विटामिन की ही देते हैं, राइट. इससे अच्छा है कि वी कैन हैव इट फ्रॉम वेजिटेबल्स एंड इवन फ्रूट्स, because it contains vitamins and minerals and they help us to fight disease and to keep us very healthy, right. So all the nutritions have to be eaten in the right proportions for us to stay healthy and active. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरे दिन बस यही न्यूट्रिशंस लेते रहना है, नो, इट शुड बी इन द राइट प्रपोर्शन. ओके, so that it helps our body to stay healthy and to stay active. Okay, so now did you know octopuses, then squids, clams, clams and water snakes are eaten as seafood in the various parts of the world. Octopuses, then squids, then clams and water snakes are eaten as seafood in the various parts of the world. Then insects like cockroaches, beetles are served as fry foods in some countries. Camel milk is rich in vitamin C and iron. Okay, so now we will see about balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the above nutrients in adequate amounts required for good health. है ना, क्योंकि मैंने आपको ये पहले भी सिखाया था that we should always have a balanced diet. ठीक है, and a balanced diet is a diet that contains all about nutrient, okay, all about nutritions in adequate amounts. Then drinking adequate water and eating fresh fruits and vegetables which help the body in digestion. अगर हम अच्छे से पानी पीते हैं, if we eat fresh fruits, it helps the body in digestion. Okay, and it is also very important part of a balanced diet. आपके balanced diet होना चाहिए आपका, जिसमें सारे nutritions आ जाए. Okay, now we will say importance of water. Water is very important, we all know that, right? So water is the most important substance on the planet Earth. All living organisms need water to live and grow, because without water we cannot survive. Can we? No. कभी हम पानी नहीं पीते, थोड़ी देर के लिए नहीं पीते तो हमारा गला सूख जाता है, right? So we cannot live without water. Even all living organisms need water to live and grow. Okay, then besides food we must also drink plenty of water every day to keep ourselves healthy, है ना. Then water helps the body to digest food. It also helps to transport the digested food to different body parts. हमें वाटर डाइजेशन में भी हेल्प करता है. इट हेल्प्स टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द डाइजेस्टेड फूड to the different body parts. Okay, our body loses water in the form of sweat and urine, so we need to replace it by drinking plenty of water. जब हमें पसीना होता है, जब हमें यूरिन, राइट, तो जब हम यूरिन पास करते तो उसमें भी वी लूज लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर, है ना, तो उसके अंदर भी हमारा बहुत वाटर निकल जाता है, तो हमें उतना ही वाटर पीना चाहिए. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी शुड ड्रिंक प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर. ओके,